Bienvenidos, amigos, amigas, everything in between, and thank you so much for joining us on this another STEM Miss, specifically day 17 of STEM Miss. All right, let's see what we got. 17. 17, right here.
Hey, where's
What the?
Sorry, we're late. Oh shit, we haven't even I forgot to advertise the stream too today.
It's all right. Um, we got two tops.
No bottoms.
Eh, no,
What
just
is it then?
two shitty plastic tops.
Well,
Like
that's because
great.
you spin them, right? I don't
Yeah,
know how it's a STEM toy, but it's a toy.
yeah. There's no stem to this, and they're also shitty, cheap plastic.
Maybe could Morty eat them, or could she play with them?
Morty could eat these. Hell, I could eat these. No, this is awful.
Oh, Morty,
This is a one.
Morty, right?
It's not a stem toy. It's barely a toy,
Morty
and it's
one,
so cheap and plastic that
Morty one,
I never want these.
Morty one.
This is a one.
Is it a 0?
It's still not a zero because it's at least still a toy. All right,
Okay.
17 on the cat calendar.
And so don't forget that if you miss a stream, you can always watch us on the YouTube playlist we've created as we upload and edit the video with fun little extra bits, while also keeping it short every day.
Ooh, what the? It's a hard mouse. Ah! It's a just a really hard. It's looks like it has a squeak. It's got a squeaker. Isn't squeaking more of a dog toy thing?
What is it? Squeak toy?
It's a squeaky mouse.
Cats love squeaky mice. Certain cats, not all cats. That's very much a cat toy. What's Morty like?
She's confused by it.
Is she playing? I...
I think she's chasing it. I don't hear it squeaking, so
Is she playing with it? What is she doing?
I don't know. I think she's just ignoring it now.
Two out of five.
2 out of 5.
It not make sense.
She liked it in my hand. She does not like chasing it. All right, now what about your calendar?
Empty.
No.
So something happened. The calendar box is basically kind of broken.
Yeah.
So all parts are falling out.
Oh no.
So I can now peek into every single day, but that also means things keep falling out. Like day 21 keeps falling out. Um, so I might have just lost 17. I don't know how,
That'll just make another day better.
but yeah, it looks like a few are missing. Looks like did 19 get 2? Oh, it might have fallen into 19.
Yeah. So
Let me just
they'll just make 19 better. It's fine.
No, it's fine.
Hmm.
Oh no, it didn't fall into 19. I'm gonna just put 19 back. I'm not actually looking. I have no idea what they are.
Yeah.
Not very good.
Did you get it?
Uh, no, legitimately looks like it's disappeared.
All right. Well, boring day. We
I
got
mean,
all.
I'm missing it because the calendar broke.
Yeah. Morty's calendar is also breaking to hell.
Because like 21 keeps sliding out.
Oh no. Well,
Uh,
that's admin for you.
I think it's just fallen out of the. I think it's just completely fallen out. But it was completely still shut, so I don't know how. I don't trust Shadow. I fear Shadow's done something. Yep, completely lost.
All right. Well, oh, Morty's playing with the toy.
Okay, maybe change my thing. No.
She's
Multi
feeling it.
like. Multi like. Multi like. Okay, 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5, multi like.
She's very
Okay,
confused.
4 out of 5, multi like.
She's very confused by it. All right. So, Benditos, amigos, migas, everything in between, and thank you so much for joining us on this day 17 of Stimmas. Join us tomorrow, same time, same place. Hopefully, same time.
Well, not
As
same time today. Back to 12 p.m. Central.